Hello, welcome to tutorial part 1 on texture mapping the Earth. In this tutorial you will learn how to create a sphere and how to get it set up so that your Earth can look nice and pretty. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and create a sphere. Now there's a couple ways of creating a sphere. Okay, we're going to go into polygons, then we're going to click on the sphere. Make sure we're in the modeling. Okay, click on the sphere, and we're going to drag on the grid from the center. Okay, just to create the sphere. Normally, this is not the right way to make a sphere, or this is not the default way to make a sphere. Okay, we're going to go back to the default way to make a sphere. Interaction creation tool. I'm going to check that off. Turn it off here. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. And I'm going to click on polygons just to show you guys when you first have Maya on. If you don't change the settings, this is how you will get your sphere. Then you have to scale it up and do a couple extra more steps. But we're going to eliminate that. We're going to go into the polygon primitives. We're going to turn that back on. Okay. Interactive creation tool. We're going to drag from the center. And now we have our sphere the size that we want. So now we're going to look at some of the edges here. As you can see, there's less points. So the less points you have, the more triangular your sphere will look. So we want to eliminate that. The way we do that is we go into the polysphere 1. We're going to up the subdivisions. We're going to crank it up to 50. Okay, we're going to do both of them, the angles and the height, the axis and the height. Okay, so want to make sure that's on. Okay, great. Now all of our edges are a lot smoother because there's more points. Okay, so it looks more round. All right, now that that's done, okay, the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and texture this. So in order to do that, we're going to have to go ahead and set up a Lambert here. Now, I'm just going through showing you guys pretty much these are all the attributes. If you want to dig in a little deeper, once you understand how to use them, you'll be able to do that. Subdivisions, which all the tabs. So this is everything related to this. You don't want to change these right here. This you want to keep normal. Okay? So we're going to add pretty much a new layer, a new Lambert. So we can add a color to it. Or we're going to, in our case, we're going to add a texture map. So go down, right click, hold it down, assign a new material, and we're going to look for Lambert here. Okay, there's Lambert. Go ahead and click on it. Now we have Lambert 2, so we're going to rename this so that it matches our texture file. So we're going to name this Earth. Okay, so once we have our Earth file here, okay, I'm going to go ahead and download some textures. Okay, so at this point, you're going to go into your Schoology and you're going to go into your system resources. Once you're in your system resources, you're going to click texture maps, planet texture maps. It's going to take you to a website. Okay, click the little square box here in the corner. We're going to get more into more details about this in the second video, part 2 of this video.